6x minus 9x. Step 1. Identify if the given terms are similar. They are similar? Yes, kasi pareha sila ng literal coefficient. Step 2. Subtract the given numerical coefficient. Okay, the given is 6 minus 9. Okay, ito yung 6 ko, anak. Pwede ba natin bawasan to ng 9? Okay, what we're going to do? Dito na ulit papasok si Chacha. Kapag hindi natin kayang i-subtract, hindi katulad nung kanina, na 5 minus 3, kayang i-direct. So, hindi na tayo mag-apply ng Chacha. So, what is Chacha? First Cha, change the operation to addition. And then, second Cha, change the sign of the subtrahend. Ito yun. Yung second number. So, kung ito ay positive 9, magiging negative. Then, third step, apply the rule in addition of integers. Addition na ulit tayo. What is the sign of 6? Positive. Sign of 9? Same sign, unlike. Add or subtract? Okay. 9 minus 6? 3. And what is the sign of the bigger number? Then what is the given? Literal coefficient? Okay. So therefore, the answer is negative 3x. So who got the correct answer? Yung sagot ng iba ay 3x. Tama? Mali pa rin yun, ha? Iba ang negative 3x sa positive 3x. Another example. Ready to listen? Okay. Next expression, negative 7a minus 4a. Step 1, identify if the given terms are similar. Okay, they are similar? If yes, proceed to step 2. What is step 2? Subtract the numerical coefficient. So our numerical coefficient is what? Negative minus. Ito, kaya bang i-direct subtraction agad to? Kaya bang i-subtract agad? Oh no, apply Chacha ulit. Kailan natin anak ina-apply si Chacha? Una, kapag mas malaki ang subtrahend kesa sa minuend. Pangalawa, kapag may negative sign, Chacha ka na agad. Ha? Okay, apply Chacha. First, change the operation to addition. Second, always change the sign of the subtrahend. So, si 4, positive, magiging? Then, addition of integers na yan. What is the sign of 7? Sign of 4? Same sign, unlike? Add or subtract? Add. 7 plus 4? And what is the sign of the two numbers? Negative. Then, step 3. Copy the literal. What is the literal coefficient? Okay. Therefore, the answer is 11, negative 11a.